think it's time to clean this stove. Look! A glass cooktop cleaner and polishing kit. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We're going to review this for you. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I'm going to let you go ahead and open that up. You can see here, there's definitely some stuff on this stove. We cooked a bunch of tomato sauce, burnt some stuff to it, and it needs a good cleaning. So we're going to give it a good cleaning. Oh, this is a cool kit. So you get quite a few of the scrubbies that go on here. This will be for after when we want to wipe everything clean. It comes with the glass cooktop cleaner and polish. Oh, this is my favorite tool. Yeah, look at that. What you want to start off doing is scrape any of the big stuff off of your stove. Then wipe it off. Then we're going to add this and show you how to use it. Okay, so now that we have all of the stuff scraped off, we're going to shake the cleaner. We're going to put some cleaner onto the glass top stove. Ooh, here, I'll move this out of your way. I thought you were going to write your name. And now we're going to take the scrubby, which has this nice cool handle. That is pretty cool. And start cleaning. Ooh, you're getting a real before and after with this because our glass top stove was real dirty. That's what happens when you try to make tomato sauce and it boils over on your stove and then it burns. Go me. Ooh. So we're going to scrub this in and then we're going to use the polishing cloth. Give that good elbow grease. Okay, so we have, as you can see, cleaned it really well. Now, the cloth here is a finishing cloth, and you're basically wow! Holy cow! Oh my! And I also want to note that this cleaner actually smells really good.
It does. A little elbow grease.
Little elbow grease there, but holy cow! Wow!
Let's see if there is no elbow grease. Let's just get it done.
Look how clean that came! Oh my goodness, you're gonna have to shut that light off so I don't see too much of the reflection-y when you're done. But, oh, I mean, that's a pretty good reflection, which means you cleaned it really well. Holy cow, this one was the worst out of all of it. That one looked the worst, and it definitely looks so much better. That's crazy. Okay, so we've already cleaned it. We've noticed there's a few spots here. That's because this was still a stubborn stain. So now we get to take the scraper and you can see it scraping right off. So if you get all done and you're like, why is there still stains? Some of it might be because we missed scraping it. Some of it needs that little bit of extra scrape. That's crazy. That is so cool. Oh, I love it. I love it.
Yep.
This is awesome.